In this video, let's see how to make a monthly subscription payment. Enter your username and password, then click the Login button to proceed. Click on the Pay Now button to proceed with the payment. And select any payment method for making payment. Select the UPI, QR or any option from the payment modal. Enter your UPI ID or mobile number, or pay using QR code. Click on the Show QR Code button to display the QR code for payment. Click on the Continue and Pay button to proceed with the payment. The QR code will be generated as per your payable amount. Scan and pay with any payment app. After payment successful, click OK to re-login. Enter your username and password. Click the Login button to proceed. The dashboard will be opened.